Have you ever dreamed of visiting the beautiful city of San Francisco? This city of dreams, nestled on California's coastline, is a melting pot of diverse cultures, stunning architecture, and vibrant neighborhoods. From the majestic Golden Gate Bridge, an icon of the city, to the infamous Alcatraz Island, San Francisco is a city that has it all. It's a place where every twist and turn holds a new discovery, just waiting to be explored. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey through some of San Francisco's most enchanting spots. Imagine standing before the magnificent Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco. This awe-inspiring structure, stretching over 1.7 miles, is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Constructed over a 4-year period and completed in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge was the longest suspension bridge in the world at the time. It's held together by over 2.7 million rivets, a fact that highlights the monumental effort that went into its creation. But it's not just its history that's impressive. The bridge serves as a vital link between San Francisco and Marin County, ferrying over 100,000 vehicles daily. And then, there are the breathtaking views. From the bridge, the panoramic vista of the city and the bay is nothing short of spectacular. The Golden Gate Bridge, a marvel of modern engineering, truly is a sight to behold. Ever wondered what it would be like to step foot on Alcatraz Island, the infamous prison island? Well, let's dive into its intriguing past. Once a federal penitentiary housing some of America's most notorious criminals, Alcatraz Island is now a fascinating destination for history buffs and adventure seekers alike. From the roaring 20s to the swinging 60s, this island was home to famed inmates like Al Capone and Robert Stroud, the Birdman of Alcatraz. Their tales of crime and punishment, of escape attempts and solitary confinements, echo around the old cell blocks, making each visit a thrilling step back in time. But it's not all about the chilling past. Alcatraz Island also boasts breathtaking views of San Francisco and the bay. From the rugged cliffs you can gaze upon the city's skyline, the majestic Golden Gate Bridge, and the bustling harbor, painting a vivid contrast to the island's dark history. Alcatraz Island, steeped in history and surrounded by the stunning San Francisco Bay, is a must-visit. Ready to experience a slice of the Orient right in the heart of San Francisco? Welcome to the oldest Chinatown in North America. A bustling enclave, it's a vibrant tapestry of culture, brimming with life and steeped in history. Here, the air is rich with the aroma of exotic spices and tantalizing dishes that are a feast for all senses. From the sizzling woks of dim sum houses to the sweet allure of traditional bakeries, the cuisine is as diverse as it is delicious. But it's not just about the food. Chinatown is a treasure trove of unique shopping experiences. Dive into quaint shops filled with traditional arts, crafts, and trinkets that tell tales of a rich cultural heritage. From its colorful festivals to the iconic Dragon Gate, this place is more than just a neighborhood. It's a testament to the city's multicultural mosaic. San Francisco's Chinatown, an explosion of color, flavor, and culture, is an experience you don't want to miss. Intrigued by the wonders of San Francisco? Well, who wouldn't be? We've journeyed through the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, a marvel of modern engineering standing tall against the San Francisco skyline. We've delved into the shadowy history of Alcatraz Island, a once infamous prison that now stands as a testament to the city's resilience and transformation. And we've tasted the vibrant flavors of Chinatown, a bustling hub of culture that offers an authentic slice of the Orient right in the heart of San Francisco. Each of these landmarks paints a unique picture of the city, a tapestry of experiences that is as diverse as it is captivating. From architectural wonders to historical hotspots, from cultural delights to gastronomic adventures, San Francisco is a city that has it all. It's a city that invites you to delve deeper, to explore its hidden corners, to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of experiences. So why not answer the call to adventure? Why not let San Francisco be your next travel destination? With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, it's a city that promises an unforgettable journey. A city that is waiting for you to explore, to discover, to experience. Check the video description for a link to inexpensive travel Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We read every comment. San Francisco awaits you.